Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
You begin by saving Work and closing Word. This prevents file locks. Next, run Word as administrator so repairs can write system files. Disable add-ins from File Options add-ins and manage COM add-ins. This isolates third-party conflicts. Once done, check the file path in File Explorer to confirm the document location and remove any unusual characters. You do these steps now to ensure the core application and file environment are stable before deeper repairs. You run quick repair from programs and features to fix corrupted components quickly. If issues persist, choose online repair for a full reinstall without losing settings. Once repaired, attempt Open Browse, select File Open, and repair to recover the document content. Also, rename normal. .im and %appdata %Microsoft \templates to regenerate default settings. This clears template corruption. Make sure to reboot after repairs so Word loads fresh components and templates before testing the document again. You finish by testing new documents and the problematic file to confirm the error is gone. If problems continue, create a new Windows user profile or perform a clean Office reinstall to isolate user-specific corruption. Make sure to check disk health with chkdsk and verify NTFS permissions on the document folder. Lack of write permission often triggers errors. Finally, restore from a known good backup if needed. Once done, document the fixed steps so you can repeat this only way next time.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.